Hey everyone, I'm Bill. We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. We're here at MotoAmerica in Sonoma, California, and we are at the 600 Superbike races. We're going to do a little fan walk and take you guys along as fans and just kind of show you what we see and talk to some of the racers and just bring you guys along. So they're gridded up behind us. Let's go and walk over and just have a good time. So Barno will be taking pictures, so we'll have some stills. But look, realistically, I want to bring you guys along. This is something that we don't get to see every day. We don't get to see at all. Most of you guys just basically hope and wish to ever be able to be doing this. So if I can get over the grid wall. So we get to be out here with all of the racers. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. So we're gonna walk back to the back of the grid and then we'll walk up to the front. But let me flip this around and show you guys some of the guys that we're gonna be seeing race today in the 600s. Caroline Olsen, got to see her earlier. And heading over to the Riders Law. Course. And some of the newer guys. This guy was screaming earlier. I'm not sure who he is. My lovely assistant knows that. But one of our locals, Mr. Kim.
Here we go.
On the Riders Law. What's up, brother? Just feel like a pro. Riders Law. Just getting ready. So it's just so rad to be up here with you guys. So we have basically a full grid of 600s, and I don't know. It's just been a beautiful, absolutely beautiful weekend just to be able to be with these guys. So I'm going to try to get up to some of the people that more people that you guys know. A lot of these guys are the privateers. Now these guys back here at the back of the grid, they are what it's all about. They are who we need to continue this racing. So props to them. But let's shoot over, let's see. Let's walk through here. So we've got Tyler O'Hare. So Tyler O'Hare, this is his home track. He's been here, he just knows this track. Like, he just lives right over the hill. So Tyler, it's great to be able to have him here. Just around with Tyler. Super cool. And then we got look who I got. Look at that guy. All right, shoot focus on here. But so much fun. So Richie Escalante's back here, and we've got Josh. We're trying to get running. Josh Hayes is right here, so we're going to say hi to Josh here in a second. We got Jason Aguilar right behind us. So let's get over and actually, Lisa's right here. Let's say hi to Lisa. Jason's focused. But our main team, the crew, Melissa Paris Racing, Josh Hayes, California TV, some F1 Motorcycle Shop, and some other F1 Motorcycle Shop. But it's great to see Josh and Melissa back out here. Super, super rad. And then let's head up to the front grid. So the front grid, we've got Hayden Gillum up in the front. JD Beach is up here with Gillum. Ken Hill's up here. Ken Hill. What's going on? Here we are. Always, there he is. Yeah. Thanks, Ken.
Yeah.
As always.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
It was close. I mean, the whole day's been kind of close, right?
Yeah, I think this one, it's mean, there's 6 guys that can be in this.
Anybody.
So this is what we like, which we don't know who's going to win. So I want my guy to win, but any of these guys can win.
It's all right. But Bobby Fong's right behind us, just killing it. But flip this around. Everyone's, of course.
It's hot right now.
The Rick TV. What's up, Rick TV?
What's up, Rick TV?
What's up?
Look, now you're official.
See, I got a mic, but it just is this a real mic?
It's a real mic, baby.
I can't afford the real mic. I just got it.
Just macrame yourself some with some jean shorts.
We'll get there.
I love it. My man.
Good luck today, guys.
Thank you.
So Hayden Gillum is all set up, ready to go. He's gonna kill it. But of course, you got Bobby Fong over here on the Suzuki. My bet's on Bobby. I'm gonna go with Bobby today. And let's see, who am I gonna go with second? I'm gonna go second. I'm gonna go over here with Hayden Gillum. And I'm gonna pull a surpriser and say Josh Hayes is gonna be third. Bryce Prince will be number 4. And then I think Richie Escalante is gonna come up in about 5th or 6th today. That's my prediction. But what's up, Mike Conn?
What's happening?
How are you?
Getting ready to go.
Ready?
Oh,
Ready
yeah.
to race. Ready to race. So Bryce Prince for the final. So if you guys just heard, all the generators just went quiet. Everyone is just, now it's all mayhem. So everyone's clearing the track. So we got to get on the other side of the wall. But I lost my lovely other half. We got to get on the other side of the wall and get ready for these guys to take off. These walls are like extra big. All right, so let's get over here, guys. Let's take a little spot. But it's always a blast, man. I can't believe that MotoAmerica lets a little guy like me be out there. Oh, and Wagner, thank you. It's just a blast. Let's flip this around, show you guys a little up close. So when they clear, you know, we've got the teams all ready. They've got their generators all out and getting ready for the board. But like, there's no holes in the wall, so the pit crew's got to pull the whole thing over. It's kind of a pain in the butt. But this is great. We've got another minute. You can see the clock over there. Minute 20 for our final. Ready to roll. And the 1 minute call, guys, 1 minute call. This is on. Right. All right, so we're gonna get this start here. Get this start here in a second. So we've got our warm-up lap. So we've got about 3 more minutes before the start. 30-second, everyone's cleared out. So we got to get everybody out of here. Oh, look at here, look at that. Who-wee, what's up, brother? Oh, you know.
The tire company.
That's right.
The tire company.
Riders Law? Riders Raw?
He's working a lot of cases.
So we're on our warm-up lap right now, and then we will be out here in just a second. What's up? All right, so
I don't have an economic.
looks like we can be up. Looks like we can be up as far as we can go. White line. So we're gonna get greeted up. Not just on the other side of this wall here in a minute. Again, I can't thank MotoAmerica for letting the little guys out here. So nice. Alright, so let me flip this around. You can see that they've got the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the different rows that obviously they're lining up on. So as they come in, you guys will notice as they come in, Josh Hayes, Bobby Fong, Bryce Prince, Richie Escalante, Eddie Gillum's coming up from the front, or from the back. Yeah. And we're about to get racing, guys. And we're gridded up. And the red flag's gonna come down. Red flag goes down. And here's our start, guys. Lights are on. And away they go.
Off you go.
And there goes everyone getting ready for the finish. So, all right, guys. Well, we'll finish this up. Thank you guys for watching. Again, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Shoot us a comment down below. We're going to be out here for the Superbike 1000s, the Super Stock 1000s, and we are going to be able to get the Twins class this race. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But thanks for staying tuned, and we'll see you next video. Thanks, guys.
Bye.